Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Safari cannot open the page because it could not establish a secure connection to the server. So if you find this kind of error on your Safari, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check for your data connection. And if you are using the Wi-Fi, you have to make sure that it is working properly, and you can simply restart your router. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on airplane mode. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to iPhone storage, and here you have to simply look for Safari. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply offload the data, or you can simply delete the history of the Safari. And after doing all the things, what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here you have to simply click on general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and here you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And after going back, what you have to do, you can simply go to App Store, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update of the Safari. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the general, and here you have to simply click on software update, and you have to check for any kind of software update they are available, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest version of the update of the iOS store. So in this way, you can simply solve the error if you have the latest iOS update. After doing all the things, hope your error will be fixed. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.